Hello, my name is Seung-ki Baek. I'm the color director of Rush. This is my lovely model, Serafina. Today, what I'm going to introduce is Goldwell Color Season 2024 new shade Granite. As you can see, I pre-lighten Serafina's hair, and I use it LightDimensions Oxycur Platin. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to use a theme of dark decadence, creating dimension of granite and blue purple and purple ink. Let's get started. Okay, as you can see, isolate a few different areas apart as a sectioning, another small section, and the crescent section around the front and the other side, mirroring to the other side, also small part of section, another small part of section there. So I'm going to start with the purple ink and first section. I'm just finished the color of the purple ink underneath, so I'm going to be isolate with the foils. Another sections on the side, I'm going to use a purple ink. I'm going to release the front section, and I'm going to use it blue pearl. Another small triangle section here, I'm going to use it blue pearl. Start with the first section with our main color, granite. This is my final look on Serafina. As you can see, I use a granite as a main color, blue pearl, and a pearl ink to create this look. And I hope you like it as much as I do. Thank you.